Going on, guys? This is Colton from Jaitokes. Welcome to a brand new video. So today we are going to be checking out a brand new budget dry herb vaporizer. We have the Linx Saber to unbox today. We also have the Linx bubbler to try out, so pretty hyped for this one, man. We're always excited to check out some new dry herb vaping devices. This is actually a super cheap unit, so let's go ahead and pop it open, man. All right, so the presentation, pretty sleek, pretty nice. We have the actual device here. We have the dimpled mouthpiece, and then we have some accessories. We have a nice little cleaning brush and a USB-C charging cable. All right, and here is the actual vape, and you can tell that it has some weight, definitely a quality build, feels nice in the hands. Then we have their thick dimpled glass piece. Let's go ahead and check out the user manual here. So we have a 2200 mAh battery, replaceable heating coil, chamber cover. All right, and so as far as I understand, to load this device, it's actually going to go right into the mouthpiece here on the bottom. So you're just going to load all of your ground herb just right in here. And as you can see down inside the vape, it has something like sticking up through the middle, and it has some holes. I'm guessing that's where the heat comes through. So I am just going to try the just the mouthpiece that it comes with first, just to see how it does. Let's go ahead and grab some flower. Today we are going to be smoking on some Cosmic Hemp Gardens. Really love the stuff that's coming out of this vendor. We have the Tangerine Dream that we're going to be smoking on today. Gonna get a little bit of energy. It is a sativa, super fruity, super terpy stuff. Oh man, it's even fruitier than last time I smelled it. Yeah, dude, this stuff is just beautiful. Be sure to check out Cosmic Hemp Gardens and use the coupon code Jaitokes in all caps for 10% off your order. Tell them Jaitokes sent you, man. Really a huge advocate for these people. And a huge shout out to the Tokie community and the Patreon. I really appreciate everyone supporting your boy's dream out here. Alrighty, so I just have my glass piece upside down. I'm just gonna scoop just right in. So just like that, I didn't like pack it down in there or anything. This is just how it filled. Want to make sure that airflow is fine. So I'm just gonna stick this right in here. I hope I showed that. It doesn't feel super tight, but I'm guessing it's just supposed to be like that. So I guess we are ready, man. So one of the gripes that I do already have is that it does just have 4 preset temperatures, and you cannot go lower than 374 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. But I mean, for the price, I understand that it doesn't have the variable temperatures. This is as budget as you can get, man. So let's go ahead and check it out. So we're gonna hit the button here 5 times. Just like that, gives a little vibrate. So then 3 clicks and it's on the first setting, which is that 374 Fahrenheit. All right, so when I set it to the temperature that I wanted, it just already started heating up, and then it gave me a vibrate, and we are ready to vape already, dude. It's as simple as that. Cheers, everybody. Let's go ahead and try out some Tangerine Dream in the brand new Saber. It actually gave some decent flavor and decent clouds just on the very first setting. Definitely have that lingering fruity taste in my mouth, man. It does feel pretty hot up here, so you do need to be careful with that. But man, I'm super stoked to try the higher settings and to try out this bubbler. Let's go ahead and bump it up to the 3rd setting, which I believe is over 400, correct? Yeah, 428 is what we're going up to right now. So it's heating up right now, and there, it's ready to go, dude. Just like that. Super quick. Cheers, guys. All right, so I'm going to show you what it looks like to reload this thing. So I'm going to take this cover off, and then I'm just going to hopefully not spill a bunch of flour onto my keyboard. Just gonna pop it out just like this. Then you have all of this flour that you can use for edibles. Just gonna dump it right in. Might even get a Q-tip, or I like to keep a toothpick just inside the coffee tin. Swirl it around, make sure you get all that off of there. Don't want it messing with the flavors. And just like that, you are ready to reload. But I'm actually going to load up the bubbler next. So this is the bubbler that they have. It's super long. I mean, I feel like they're exactly the same size, so this is gonna be on top here. That's pretty wild. But yeah, just gonna load it up the same exact way, but gonna have to get some water in here. Guessing it just goes right above the holes on the inside there. Man, maybe I should have loaded this before putting all the water in, because if I tilt it upside down, is it gonna spill out? Oh god, hold on. No, it's not. Okay, so you can just load it the same exact way here. All right, check it out, dude. I feel like this is a little bit bigger. Yeah, definitely. Just a tiny bit bigger of a bowl size on the bubbler. Man, I am going to put this right in here. And just like that, dude, you are ready to hit some dry herbs, brother. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to heat right up to the max temperature that it goes. We're going to put this thing to the test and see what happens, man. And there we go, dude. Man, that heats up fast, especially for a cheaper unit. Let's go ahead and try it out on the max temperature. Cheers, everybody. Man, the thing about doing it at the max temperature though is you might as well just be smoking then, you know? I feel like when you're that high of a temperature, it really starts to taste kind of burnt. This thing is also 100% convection heating, which is pretty wild for the price point. But man, this is a solid product for sure. I mean, I would gladly pay the price line that it's at. This is a really nice intro device for sure. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you so much, Linx, for making this video possible. And thank you so much for bringing such a quality device for an affordable price. As you can see, I am quite blasted, dude. That thing was chugging. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.